Hello everyone, Uday Meirav here, founder and CEO of Calibre Biometrics, and today I'm here to talk about the basics of breath measurements. Let's go over the fundamental terminology. The simplest measurement of breath is the breath count. As the name suggests, it's simply counting the number of completed breaths in a sequence. If you spend 5 minutes and take 75 breaths during that time, your breath count is 75. The breath rate, on the other hand, is the number of breaths per time, typically expressed as breaths per minute. The breath rate can change quickly, so you do not have to measure it over an entire minute to estimate your breath rate. For example, if you take 5 breaths in 20 seconds, that's a rate corresponding to 15 breaths per minute, because a minute is, of course, 3 times longer than 20 seconds. Now, another measurement is breath volume, sometimes also called tidal volume. That's the average volume of air per individual inhalation or exhalation. Calibre measures each breath, but since there are always small variations, even in a sequence of similar breaths, we typically average the breath volume over a few breaths. Finally, there's a quantity called minute volume or minute ventilation, which is the total volume of air in a sequence of breaths divided by the duration of the sequence in minutes. It's expressed as liters per minute, or LPM. This is a very important metric of breath, both at rest, where it can be just a few liters per minute, and especially under exercise, where it can be much higher, in fact, over 100 liters per minute for a typical male under high intensity effort. If you think about it, you'll see that minute volume is equal to the product of breath rate multiplied by the breath volume. These are the basics of breath measurement.